Hello everyone and welcome to In This Tech. My name is Okong and welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to be designing this figure. We're going to be exploring a variety of commands such as linear pattern, revolve, fillet, extrude cut, extrude, and lots more. The dimensions for this figure can be seen on the drawing sheet here. However, most of the dimensions are not here, so in order for you to see how they are applied and where they are applied, it's better that you watch the video. The dimensions are all in millimeters, so it's important to take note of that. So without wasting too much time, let us begin a new drawing, a new design by clicking on File, selecting New, clicking on Part, and then selecting OK. I will select the front plane and begin the sketch with 2 concentric circles. The dimensions are in so this is going to be 15 and this is going to be 24. We're going to sketch a rectangle. Go first, let me get the center line, then I'll sketch a rectangle somewhere there. The length of the rectangle, number 18, length is 20, and the distance from the rectangle to the origin should be about 20. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line from here and there, like so. This one is already tangented, so I'm going to add a tangent relation to this one, and I'm going to use the trim properties to trim out here and here and here and here. Now I'm going to extrude and extrude this one by 120, and this one by about 5. Yes, it's taking shape. Oh, I forgot to do something. I'm supposed to add a fillet here. I'm going to fillet this by 7.5. Now the fillet is going to be 7 mm. 7.0, and this extrude, I'm going to make it 7. I'm going to come to this face, open a sketch here, to sketch a going to sketch a corner rectangle. The dimensions of this rectangle would be 40 by 12. And then I'm going to add a fillet of about 6 mm, and then I am going to extrude it. Do an extrude cut, and select up to surface. And there we have it. That part has been cut off, and the next thing we're going to do is to create a hole. We're going to create a hole using Hole Wizard. The hole type is normal hole. The size of the hole is going to be 16 mm. I'm going to position the hole somewhere here. The dimensions is supposed to be 23 mm. This should be 60. And now I'm going to use the linear sketch pattern to pattern the hole around this face. So I'm going to say S2 and a distance of 40, and the direction is okay this way. And then for the second direction, we want to put it as this one and make the distance to be 34. And there we have it. The holes are all in place. The next thing we'd have to do would be to open up a sketch on this face create the dimension 40 mm, and I'm going to create a spline or use the spline tool rather to create the figure. And I'm going to dimension this such that from here, well, let's try and make this one as make it as vertical as possible, and this one as horizontal as possible. And I'm going to dimension this to be 20. I want to make this point to be coincident with this. And then we're going to see if I can bring this down a bit. Oh no, it is okay. It should be fine. Now I'm going to use Revolve cut. The axis of revolution, and then sketch contour is this, and the axis of revolution is this. Eliminate the thin feature, and there we go. We have our shape. Now I'm going to add an appearance and decide to add black spray paint across the whole thing. And there we go. The component is finished. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and maybe subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.